Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November the 29th on a Wednesday, excuse me. We are seeing a gap up today. Very strong market over the last month. You know, it looks like we may go to attempt this kind of 459 level, which is almost 2 points higher, and see what happens there. But no reason to be shorting this market, that's for sure. But again, I don't like chasing stocks, so we're going to be taking some look at some setups. I'm really liking some of the ARC stocks. I'm in some of them. First on the list, this is our trade of the week, was PATH, P-A-T-H. Now, I've been in this for a few days, but it is gapping up here to this high going back, a couple of months ago. So if it gets through that, could have a quick move to 20, and then there's the next level of resistance. I don't have it on the chart, but trust me. Really liking this AI, the look in this AI. Okay, it was doing well a few days ago, and then had some news that it's cutting some jobs, which I don't actually think is a bad thing. This one may be quick out of the gate. It's really hard to tell with some of these opens, but I'm loving that look in AI. ASND is another one that I'm actually in. I bought it yesterday off the 20-period moving average, but looking for a break of this 5-day high to add to my position. And last, you're seeing a lot of ARC stocks. Upwink, UPWK. I've been in this for actually a few days, for a few weeks, keeping a small size. But if it does get above, that 1450 level, it might want to try that 15 level again. So focusing in on some ARC stocks today. A few others out there on the board. If you have trade ideas, you have access to it. Have a great one, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep it tight. Bye-bye.